Hi guys, my name is Gift and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I'll be making videos about tech and things that are related on tech side. So without further ado said, let us begin. Let us begin by looking on the phone. The overall look of the phone is so good in my opinion, by the way. There is one single selfie camera. There is no notch. You have two front speakers up and down below. And down below you have one charging port and there is no headphone jack. On the right side of the phone you have power button and volume controller. If we turn the phone, you have one single back camera, the flashlight and a fingerprint scanner for you to unlock the phone. There is no wireless charging because the phone's back is built of plastic. The software on this phone is very good, faster, and you get the Android P update. You have the Google Assistant. By just squeezing on the edge of the phone, the software activates the Google Assistant automatic. And then when you are looking for something, you can also search for it by just taking a picture of the thing you are looking for. That's when we have the Google Lens built into the phone. By just taking the photo of the thing you are looking for, the software will automatically search for the thing you are looking for and give you a result without you searching or typing anything. And then there is a new feature, the now playing song. This feature allows you to recognize the song that is playing right now. Let me say that you are in a place and you hear a song that you love so much. The phone, without you touching the phone, will recognize the song and give you the title and the name of the song. That is cool. And now let's talk about the part I was so excited about, the camera on this phone. This phone have 8 megapixel on the front camera, 12.2 megapixel on back camera. You have night sight mode, slow motion mode, portrait mode and panorama mode. With all these features you get stunning photos all the time. Number one, because the phone uses machine learning to produce for you a great image, and that is really good because that means that the software on this phone is doing a great job. And Google use dual pixel for everything that is happening in this camera to happen as it would, and that is really cool, and I'm so glad that Google does this thing into the phone. Yeah. Now the battery on this phone. With this phone you get up to 7 hours of battery, and for you to get the phone full charged you'll have to wait 15 minutes. But it depends on how you use the phone. Many people streams and many people doesn't do a lot on their phone, and that can depend on every person. So by using power saving mode, it can maybe help you to get to use the phone in a whole day. So that is good. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and feel free to share it. And I will see you in the next coming video. Goodbye.